Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of endless news cycles about environmental doom and gloom? Do you ever wonder if there's anything you can do to make a difference, however small? Spoiler alert, there absolutely is. In fact, making small changes towards sustainable living can have a bigger impact than you might think. So, ditch the despair and join me on a journey to discover how easy it is to be kind to your planet, and maybe even save yourself some cash in the process. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Every like and subscribe helps us create more awesome content just like this. Now, let's talk sustainability. Most of us picture eco-warriors living off-grid in tiny houses, right? But the truth is, sustainable living isn't about drastic changes or extreme sacrifices. It's about making conscious choices in your everyday life that add up to a big difference. Think of it like tiny ripples creating a wave of positive change. Here's where the fun begins. Ditch the single-use plastics. Invest in a reusable water bottle and tote bag. They're stylish, save you money, and keep plastic out of landfills and oceans. Speaking of saving money, embrace the power of energy efficiency. Swap incandescent bulbs for LEDs, switch off lights when you leave a room, and air dry your clothes whenever possible. It's good for your wallet and the planet. Food is another big one. Support local farmers markets, reduce your meat consumption, and get creative with leftovers. Food waste is a huge problem, but with a little planning and mindful cooking, you can be a champion against it. Remember, every action, however small, has an impact. So, the next time you reach for a plastic straw or leave lights on unnecessarily, think about the tiny ripple you're creating. Will it be a positive one, or one that contributes to the environmental challenges we face? The choice is yours. So, let's make these ripples count. Thanks for watching, and if you've made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and check out some of these other cool videos on the channel where we explore more ways to live sustainably, and have fun doing it. Remember, small changes, big impact. Let's do this together.